Canadians planning trips across the border this coming holiday season, brace yourself. Travel to the United States is about to get more difficult again. The Centers for Disease Control plans to require everyone entering the country, regardless of vaccination, to test negative for COVID 1 day before boarding a flight. Currently, international flyers who are vaccinated can take a test up to 3 days of departure. It's unclear whether the new 24-hour rule would require people to take a rapid test or a costly PCR test. The Washington Post reports the Biden administration is also considering a requirement that all travelers get retested within 3 to 5 days of arrival, and that all travelers, including returning Americans, self-quarantine for 7 days, even if their test results are negative. The stepped-up testing comes amid growing global concern over the new Omicron variant.
I think we're all concerned that Omicron has such a large number of mutations, more than 50. This is a somewhat different animal.
Currently, Canada is asking air arrivals from everywhere except the U.S. to take a test.
We need to be prepared and ready if we need to adjust that decision to include travelers from the U.S. We haven't made that decision yet.
The opposition in Ottawa questions why there are exemptions at all.
We want to see a consistent approach based on the evidence that keeps Canadians safe.
Starting Wednesday, those entering India from its list of at-risk countries must be tested upon arrival. In France, visitors from outside the European Union will need a negative test carried out 48 hours before they arrive.
Hope for the best, prepare for the worst.
EU countries are being urged to review travel restrictions day by day.
We know from our experience with the Delta variant that it is a race against time.
Other nations are going even further. Japan has asked airlines to stop taking new bookings for incoming flights for the rest of the year.
President Joe Biden will update his coronavirus strategy on Thursday. It comes as his country confirms its first known case of the Omicron variant linked to travel from South Africa. The World Health Organization again blasted blanket travel bans, arguing they are ineffective and can cause social and economic harm. Caryn Ceolin, City News.